Because if you spend time with me, you're going to learn how to do this. But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of simply sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. You don't have to have anything. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session in New York. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This shit works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back testing, looking at where it has done this in the past. I tell you what time to look for these things to form. That way you're not just going around and looking at charts blindly. Go right to these specific times of the day. That's where it's going to form. For those people that go back in their old data and their old charts and they study that, they see it, they don't need me to do 50 examples of that. They don't need to see me do it live 50 times a week. They're sold on the idea. Okay, there's something here. It merits more investigation because I see the evidence of this thing occurring. It's not contrived. It's not conjectured. It's not made up. It's not fabricated. It's really happening every day. And once you see that, you don't need to have anybody else to cheerlead for you. You know, okay, there's something here. I'm going to mine that. So I give you just a few models so that way you go in and you now start working on the skill sets that are required. Not veering off course, hopping from one PD array, one approach, fair value gap, inversion value gap, breakers, market maker models, buy, sell. There's 1,000 things out there that I teach. Every individual one of them is a model. Every single one of them is an individual model. But I give you, this is the.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, chat. Good morning, Brutal Trader, Riddle Master. How are you guys? I can see pop up on open. Let's see. Exactly, that's what I'm expecting from this 1 hour gap. Maybe we get something like this Judah swing, then boom. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We also have this London liquidity, so I'll probably wait for a nice confirmation to go longs from this FPG. I marked same game on 1 hour. Oh, that's good, bro. That's good. Great minds thinks alike. So how are you guys? Did you guys take any trade before the market open? Market is about to open in 3 minutes. And also we have CPI tomorrow. Don't expect any volume today. So basically, as yesterday, we're gonna play defensive. Okay. Shit. Okay, so let's see. See, price is neither trading above opening or below the opening. Lucky Labana Kedaji. Good, bro. Good. How are you? How are you, bro? Some scalps. Um, let's see, bro. Let's see. I can't just rush to the. Honestly, I just avoid trading like the first 15 minute. But if I'm very pretty sure about it, then I take the trade. But right now we have this London low, right? So what could happen is we see a reaction from here and we can go lower to take the London lows and then we can go to the high. Okay. Daman, bro, how are you, bro? How are you guys? You guys are regular. Love to see you guys joining the stream every day. Just hit the like button whenever you come to the stream. Beautiful, beautiful. We are getting 5 viewers, 5 to 6 viewers every day, regularly, consistently. This is a great sign that we are growing as a community. Okay, beautiful. All right, market is about to open in 30 seconds. Let's see. Don't take any trade at the market open, okay? Wait for the confirmation. Always wait for the confirmation. Brutal trader. Yeah, yeah, exactly, bro, exactly. Let's see if we see any if this one of our FVGs get respected. Perfect, as we are tapping the you know what, this is a great sign. We are just heading to the FVG. This is a great sign. Why? Because if we had swept these highs, then I would say now we have this low resistance liquidity. We can target all these liquidity, so yeah, let's wait. Hope soon you will get thousands of viewers, but don't forget us. No, bro, I won't forget you guys. Don't worry. Even in my Discord, whenever when I get the 100 people in my Discord, I'll make it a private channel. You know what? Whenever we get a lot of viewers, a lot of people, like free people, they're just a trouble for everyone. So basically, I'm gonna make it a paid membership for my Discord. But the YouTube streams, they're all gonna be free forever. As I said, like I'm gonna wait for these London lows. See, I had very less um hope from this FVG. Let's see what ES is doing. ES took the London low. No. So ideal scenario, guys. If we sweep the London low of the NQ and we get a setup and we create a SMT with the ES, it's gonna be a perfect A plus setup. So let's wait for the London low to get sweep. Okay, let's wait. Don't just jump into the market open. Okay, you're always gonna end up losing all your money. I got $500 because of yesterday trade. See glitch, free money. Oh, bro, W, bro. That's that's crazy, bro. So how much you wanted to risk on that trade? What was your risk and the take profit? Nexus. Good morning, bro. Nexus. Oh, nice. See, I told you, bro, don't do anything, okay? And you got the 500 instead of 300. Interesting, interesting. Yo, bro, I'm back after some peaceful vacation. I had a lot of brain work, bro. I had a lot of बहुत दिमाग खपाई हुई, bro. कल the email screenshotting recording but worth 500 bucks. That's good, bro. ताई मैं कहना ना, bro. Always take the proof. Always have your proofs ready whenever they ask you for it. Now you have the free 500, which is like how much is in INR? 500 rupees. 500 USD. How much is it? 500 USD to INR. 47,000, 45,000. I mean, that's a lot of money, bro. That's a lot of money. Damn, bro, now you're eligible for payout. Daman, bro. Sorry. Yes, bro, get the payout, bro. Get the payout and enjoy the profit. I want to take this setup, but the problem is I'm scared because the structure is not there. But the 5 is closing, and yeah, let's try this. We are creating SMT with the ES. We haven't swept the London low, and we swept the London low of the NQ, but still price is respecting the FVG. You know what? I have to log into my other account too. Okay. There is a rule. Okay, need more. Daman bro, need more days, $150 each, 3 days. There is a rule of minimum 5 days, and each day we have to make $150 minimum to get eligible Lucid Trading Flex account. Oh, okay, okay, bro. Okay, so you just need one more day, and you will be eligible for the payout. That's that's great. Bro, I'm having some problem with my trading view on my phone. Unfortunately, I cannot see anything on the trading view. Okay, guys, we might get the entry. So let's get ready with your orders or whatever you guys. Get ready with your entries, guys. Get ready with the entries. This is a risky trade. If you guys have no confidence in this trade, don't take it, okay? Because I don't see any structure, but I'm taking this based on the SMT and the liquidity sweep of the London session. All right, now let's see, 7 seconds. Okay, I have my limit order set. I placed the limit order, guys. Oh shit, I risked more, guys. I risked more. Oh shit. Let me just delete it quickly and just gonna place again. Okay, perfect. My limit order is set. I have placed the limit order. 229, 230. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade, guys. I'm in the trade. Passport now. Get the verification, bro. Wanted to secure that $500 we'll see tomorrow. Wanted to secure that $500 we'll see tomorrow. Oh, yesterday I just don't know said how many days now it'll take. Okay, guys, again, um, it doesn't matter if you lose or win the trade. We're gonna take the same setup every day and follow our plan, okay? Okay, guys, I think it's gonna hit my stop loss. Okay, stop loss triggered. It was a losing day. Damn. Ooh, what a volume. Lucid dash without nature without option, no wrong, not verified or not. Okay, guys, our stop loss triggered. Now we have nothing to do. Now I think what's gonna happen is price gonna go above from here. Again, I'm not gonna take any trade, but just showing you guys what can happen. Now you can expect price to do something like this. Okay. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. The trade idea was planned because we had London low. We did not take London lows from the ES, right? And the trade idea was based on this liquidity. Now we can assume the price gonna go like this to the upside. to take out the loss. Performs the which one, bro? Which one? Did you guys take the loss today? Anyone took the loss today? Did not enter today. Yep, minus 300. Nice, nice, bro. I know it was a risky trade, but I was hoping to um get a retracement to this FVG, to the half of this. So it's okay. I know it's a low probability setup, but it is what it is. Okay. I still think it can go up, but I'm not gonna enter today anything. I only take one trade a day, so I'm gonna finish the stream at 10. Um, yep. So this week we are break even so far. Uh, yep. We count. I got slipped $100 today. By the way, this setup can play out. You can use this FVG as the stop loss and take this trade if you are still planning. Info FTMO or future did not enter today. FTMO I got slipped. I think I just entered a Little early. That's momentum candle made it. Yes, this one. I entered early, but the next 1 hour candle, I don't know, it can go bullish, I don't know. But I am out today. Today isn't my day, I think. Yes, tomorrow is CPI. Go gamble your accounts on CPI and try to pass it in one trade. Okay, let's do Wordle. Okay. Ooh, damn. No walls, so just E. Um, wow, lucky Lubana, bro. You are also trading influencer. Smile. Bye. I'm just checking something. Do you think I am sad because I lost the trade? This is not the first time I lost the trade. What is ES doing? Let's see what ES is doing. ES is doing the same thing. It's um edging the London low, and we might see something on the NQ. You guys can take this trade if you want. but I am done for the day. Yeah, I'm done for the day, guys. We had a loss on Friday. I think having Asia low this close to London low made it a little low probability. Yeah, bro, it was a little low probability. I only took it because of Asia, um because of the SMT with the ES. But if we didn't get this closure above here and we rejected, I would have taken this one using this as my stop loss and entering here and target kinda right here. I mean, if you wanna enter, you can enter, but I don't take the second trade. I strictly only take one trade a day. And I learned it by hard way. Let's see. Yeah, I know this was a dumb trade. I should have waited for the clean structure, but it is what it is. Some days you lose, some days you win. And today is not the day for me to win. Okay, 10 a.m. candle open up. Let's um see what happens on the 1 hour. Not dumb kind of P. Yes, kind of P. Kind of P. I accepted the risk and it did not play out. I've tried taking like 2 trades a day, but taking 2 trades a day is too much for me. I can see this playing out. I can see this clearly playing out in my eyes. I would have entered right here. Now I should be in the trade. Okay. So this would be my setup if I did not had that trade. Now let's see. Let's wait to see if we would have hit the TP or it was basically a losing day. Let's see. Okay. We're gonna wait. If you're in this trade, just type 1 in the chat. If you're in this trade, type 1. But I don't know, maybe this 1 hour is creating the top wick and then we can reverse all the way back to this low. Man lalachar. Man lalachar. क्या करूं? VJ vlogs, YJ vlogs, FX Dinesh. Nice. FX Dinesh, he's taking his second trade or maybe third trade of the day. Pop paper trade just for the stats. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. मन ललचार या क्या करूं? Up to you, Daman, bro. Up to you. Wait for tomorrow. There's always gonna be setup like tomorrow. Dinesh, third trade, I guess. Am I right, Dinesh? Or is it your first trade of the day? Next is YJ Vlogs. How are you, bro? I think second. So first was this, the same setup that we lost. This one, stupid ass trade. Paper trade just for the stats. Yes, sir. Okay, bro. Okay, cool. That's good. Okay, let's see if you guys win this second trade. Oh, okay. Let me close this MT5 and the magic keys. Perfect. Yeah, I can see this playing out because of the structure, but still not sure about this 1 hour wick. Also, we have this 15-minute FVG. So maybe we can reject from here and drop down to this low. Dinesh, are you back in profits? This is not on the FTM only, Lucid. Okay, okay, okay. Like the stream, guys. Oh, you guys already liked it. Nice, nice. See, people took the loss and they just left. They took the loss and they left. Where's your stop loss, Dinesh? And I think your entry might be here. Brutal trader. Yes, bro. People always do that. Like they take the trade. If they lose, they leave. They go to the other streamer and see if they are giving any signals. And then if they lose again, then they go to another streamer. Loss and profit are part of the game. Follow your profit protocols. Exactly, bro. Exactly. 683 entry. 683, 683, 683, 683. Oh, nice. 683 right here. Ooh, sniper entry, sniper. 680, 87, 887 TP 636 is nice, nice, nice. And they came, lost the whatever, and they came. Okay, I think I accept that was a bad trade. That was a bad trade. But let's see if it was our winning day or a losing day. It was a good trade. I don't think, bro. I don't think it was a good trade because there was no structure. I needed to see the structure. I only took this trade because we swept again and then we closed above. Liquidity sweep entry and SL no matter. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Exactly, bro, exactly. Even this trade, this can hit the stop loss still, because we are in this 15-minute gap, right? We're in this 15-minute gap, and also we are creating this wick of the 1 hour candle. So even this trade is a low probability, but it has a structure. So let's see. I think it's gonna hit the TP or maybe the liquidity here. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows, guys? Who knows? You didn't wait for CST or PBRK or anything like that. That's why. Um, I considered this as the CST. If we see this is an order block and we are closing above this level, so basically this is a CST for me. TP होएगी. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, PB trading also took the loss, or he did the break even. Expansion, price, retracement, expansion, expansion and TP has. You didn't. Okay. And one thing more, guys, if you guys lost today, one losing trade doesn't define who you are. Okay, one losing trade doesn't define your PNL. Okay, so just follow your plan. Don't revenge trade. Don't overtrade. I did those mistakes in past, and trust me, it's only gonna take you back to the starting line. Maybe some are BE now. Maybe some are break even now. Maybe. Yeah. Don't be like me. Don't be like Dinesh, right? Ask Dinesh. Dinesh is an example of overtrading revenge trading. If you need lessons how to revenge trade and how to overtrade, contact Dinesh. Dinesh is the master. Even this is the revenge trade for Dinesh. He's revenge trading this trade, but the thing is, his revenge trade is working. how to blow your account in one day. This is his revenge trade. So basically, he's making money on revenge trading. Office timing. Office timing is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if this this hits the SL, then I can sleep peacefully. Um, not thinking about the other trade. Bro, how much should I risk on 50K account? 50K, which one, bro? Futures or CFD? Naughty, naughty. Futures or CFD, bro? Nexus? Lucid Flex, if you have money to buy more challenges than risk 500, so you can pass it in like 6 trade. But if you but if you have minimum funds, then risk 200 to $300 maximum per trade. Thanks, bro. Noted. No worries, bro. No worries. 200 to 300 is a sweet spot. But if you want to be aggressive, you have more funds to buy challenges, then go with the $500 or maybe $1,000 to pass it fast. Oh, we can make the notes here, right? What's the spelling of discipline? Discipline. Discipline. Yes, I was right. Uh, Discipline. Okay, we're gonna hit the TP. We're gonna hit the TP. Discipline. Patience. Consistency. Wow, nice. Can we move it to the little town? Okay, it's okay. Yes, I think we're gonna hit the TP. I'm just gonna wait for a price to see if we're gonna hit the TP, and then I'll just close the stream. I mean, I'll end the stream. Close the stream. Okay, where is it? Guys, there's a thing in the trading. If it's not your day, you're gonna lose, regardless of how the setup is. And if it's your winning day, even your B plus setup's gonna play out. So never make trading personal. The more you're gonna make it personal, the more you're gonna lose. Never make it personal. For example, if this A plus setup stopped out, then nothing wrong with it. Bro, how to trade a 25K Lucid Flex account? Trade it like 50K, but with the half risk of 50K. And yeah, trade like a normal account, like you're gonna trade the other account. But if you are planning to buy Apex account, then go for tomorrow CPI. You can pass it in one day. You guys can pass it in one day. One day. I mean, Apex is expensive, but pass it and take trades. Risk $200, get the payout. Okay, so it's doing the same thing, rejecting from our entry. And let's see what 1 hour is doing. 1 hour is rejecting two to seek and lucky Apex. Um, not now, bro. But if somebody's wanna pass the futures, they can, but I'm not doing it. When do you be when do you BE your trade? I don't BE my trades, bro. I never BE my trades. I just let it run till SL or TP. Because there's a 50% chance to hit my stop loss and 50% chance to hit my TP. So it's always better to um, leave it like this. If you move your stop loss to break even, then you're just ruining your chance to win. बारकोड बना के बह गया. Bro, bro, it's CPI. Tomorrow is CPI. What are you expecting? Okay, 30 minute is closing. 30 minute is closing. Pretty bad rejecting this 15 FEG. Maybe the next 15 gonna dump. There's a chance. But the problem is if I lose this trade, if I had lost this trade, I wouldn't feel bad as much as for this trade because it has everything and it still had this low. Now let's see. Let's see, let's see. Okay, do something. Either hit the TP or SL. Giving another entry. It giving another entry. Yes, exactly. I can see the another entry, but the problem with that is, um, we have this. I don't know, bro. I have low. Yeah, it is giving the entry right here. Dinesh, are you break even, bro? Yes, sir. Not B, but stops are up. Okay, okay. So we had the same setup on August 3rd. Let's check that out, okay? We had the same setup. Market opened, take out the liquidity, and we had this clean CSD. This was our trade on Monday, 3rd August. So basically we took the same setup. We had the same setup right here, but it was a losing day. So yeah. Okay, prices. I'm just gonna be here till 45. Then I'll just leave. Okay, guys, I'm ending the stream. So don't revenge trade, don't overtrade. Follow your plan. Take care.
Because if you spend time with me, you're going to learn how to do this. But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of simply sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. You don't have to have anything. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session in New York. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it